Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to speak Jamaica Patois, Jamaican Brooklyn English. So I'm gonna break it down for you step by step. As you can see on the screen. Don't bother me. No bother me. It is mine. Afimi. Good looking girl. Christy. Just a little. Just a toops. Con artist, Ginal. Look at that. Kude. Can you please, I beg you, leave me alone. Left me. Oh my gosh, G's and peace. Excuse me, just a word. Take care, walk good. Hey dear. Psst. Ton dear, ton eso. Girlfriend, daughter. Fantastic, Irie. Children, pickety. Father. Mother. Yes, so this is the original Jamaican language, or people speak in Jamaica, you know. Everybody don't got that nice English, so this is how people talk every day in Jamaica. Don't bother me, yo, no bother me, you know. Yo, I feel me shoes that, you know, I feel me clothes that, you know. Yo, I want that con artist boy, you know what I'm saying? So that's the original Jamaican language, you know. So, you know, everybody will speak them Spanish or whatever. Girlfriend, daughter. You know, yo, I'm my daughter that, you know. Yo, Irie. You know, my mother. Yes, so people, thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that notification bell and subscribe to the Flossy Notification Gang. Have a great weekend, my peeps, and see you in my next video.